Sam, you have been selected to conduct a spy mission on planet Earth. As you know, we found a spacecraft from their planet, a few months back.
Prehistoric humans are called hominids. There are 5 important groups of hominids. The 5th group of hominids is the Homo sapiens sapiens, also known as the doubly wise man. Early modern humans were the first artists. They painted on the walls of their caves. They carved and shaped images out of clay, bone, flint, a hard mineral, and ivory. They even created musical instruments. Prehistoric artists created a variety of images. Some images came from the world around them, like the animals they hunted. Some came from their imaginations, such as mythical creatures.
Hi, can you go to the Super Plus market and buy me some wooden panels to build a fence? I am not sure. I have a square field that is 25 square meters. 10 panels can be used to build a fence of 2 meters. I will pay you 10% extra for your trouble. Go visit the Math Museum on this block. They have videos and other exhibits to help you. Thanks. I will be waiting right here.
It's the year 2060 and you're colonizing Mars. You're about to buy a plot of land, but you have a dog and you want to make sure he has enough space to run around. You also want to build a fence so he can't escape. So first you want to know how big the backyard is, and then you want to know how far it is around. To figure this out, you have to find
the area, that's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. Perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together and then we agree with the area. That's the space inside. For a rectangle, its length and width are multiplied. And perimeter, the distance around the shape. Just add the sides together.
Which kind of dance routine would you like? Get ready for some medium rhythm dance moves. Let's do a dancer pose by lifting your right leg backwards as your torso moves forward. Move your right arm to support your right foot and your left arm is stretched up and out front. Do a side bend by placing your feet shoulder width apart. With your arms raised above head, lean to the left. Do a side bend by placing your feet shoulder width apart. With your arms raised above head, lean to the right. Let's do a reverse namaste by bringing both hands behind your back and interlock your fingers.